What's up, everybody? Welcome to the beautiful new Planet Hollywood Beach Resort here in Costa Rica. One of my favorite countries in the world. I've been here many times. Absolutely love it here. Got to see it a little bit differently this time. I'm actually here working, filming and shooting some photos and marketing materials for Planet Hollywood for the entire week to help market this place. It's brand new, it's beautiful, it's enormous, and it is absolutely picturesque. Situated right in the hillside, right on the coast. Nice little cove. Absolutely amazing views. Hope to share a lot of those with you in this video. Got a lot of wicked drone shots, but just generally I wanted to thank you guys for being incredibly supportive of all my channels. You share, you comment, you like, you subscribe to everything. It's unbelievable. Without your support, I wouldn't be able to live this incredibly fortunate life I'm living. And I wanted to put more effort into creating content to share with you, share my life, share my travels, share my adventures. So I hope you enjoy what I've created here. The resort has been amazing. The food is on point. The room service is unbelievable. Private pools, big pools, foam parties. I got it all in this video. Had an awesome time. Grabbed a lot of footage when I wasn't working for the week. The team from Planet Hollywood, the photographers that came in from Spain, the whole crew, my co-workers this week, awesome people. I had an awesome time. Unfortunately, I have to get back on a plane and head back to the snow in Canada, but I'm going to plan my next trip soon because I want to create more videos like this, whether it's a work trip, whether it's a personal trip. I've had an awesome time doing this. I hope you enjoy what I've created. I hope to do more of this in the future. Please like this video, please subscribe to it, whatever channel this shows up for you. Just keep sending the love. I appreciate it enormously, and I hope you enjoy my tour of my time in Planet Hollywood, Costa Rica.
started when you took me further than I could, at a price
film parties at Planet Hollywood in Costa Rica.
today, somewhere.
Okay, so something unfortunate but really hilarious just happened. I got up early today to film a aerial shot of the pool. The Planet Hollywood logo that's in the bottom of it looks pretty sweet. My plan was to get on this giant pink flamingo and push myself off the side and just float through the shot. It's gonna look kind of amazing as the drone flew up in the air. Well, here's what happened. So you know, the drone is now not working. Well, the controller's not working. The controller circuit board is fried because I fell in with my phone. My phone is fine, it's waterproof, but the remote control's toast. The drone's fine. I was able to get it to the edge of the pool and actually have a laugh. At least I was recording it. It's pretty funny. Just whatever. Got to be a blooper reel, I guess.
A great